Solar is growing, upwards of 50% per year over the last 10 years. To meet this increasing demand, Unbound Solar is significantly expanding its installer program with experienced electricians, roofers, contractors, and solar installers who are looking to grow their business and increase revenue.
Unbound's business model is kind of unique in that it works with high-quality, service-oriented professionals to install our customized systems and equipment, but we keep the responsibility for the performance and the system itself during the lifetime of the solar system.
Actually partnering with somebody who's in the business, allowing us to get better technical data, better specifications, is something that is really appealing to us because we have the skill in-house to be able to install a lot of these systems.
In business since 1992, Unbound Solar has the technical know-how to ensure that you have the designs, skills, equipment, and support you need to grow your business.
They're part of my team. They have saved me numerous times making sure we have the right material and that it keeps us on track and our jobs running smooth. The ability to call somebody up and get accurate technical service that sometimes isn't there with other companies that I've had in the past is a great benefit to me.
In addition to customer referrals and ready-to-go confirmed projects, by joining the Unbound Solar Installer Program, you will also receive equipment discounts, permitting guidance, application support, design services, completed wire diagrams, expedited shipping, and gold technical support. With decades of experience designing and delivering over 20,000 systems using hardware from over 50 manufacturers, our employee-owner solar experts are the team you need to ensure the job is done right, on time, and on budget.
When people are part owners of a company, they have more passion for it. And so that's part of the reason I think I get great service. The guys at the warehouse are 100% efficient for me. The kits that are coming through here that you guys pre-wire, they're superior to even some manufacturers. They are better. The attention to detail that the guys do at the build center, these are the only guys that I really trust to wire stuff for me. Especially having the technical background that they have, if you do have problems, they're gonna be able to walk these people through it. This background that you get, it's invaluable to a company that wants to expand their business model.
Unbound Solar not only ensures the quality of our services and solutions, we also ensure our installer partners are responsive and maintain the same high level and quality of service our customers have come to expect.
One of the strengths for me as an installer, they've really verified to these people that they've worked with me over numerous projects, and I'm a professional and I'm gonna give them a good quality of service. This is a company that's gonna make your business better.
Expand your focus and your business by partnering with Unbound Solar and take advantage of the increasing demand. Join Unbound Solar's installer program and grow your business.